Hello everyone, welcome to the codeness. In this chapter, I am going to show you how to create the unit of work and unit of work interface. So let's go to the I repository, right click, add new items, click on the interface, then we can use I unit of work. The benefit of unit of work is you to perform all the repository or generic repository operation with the single unit of work. So we can say public. Now we already have the product repository, so I'm implement I product repository, or we can say it complete, we can say void or save changes in this way. Now I create the class to inherit the repository, class called unit of work, then click on the add button, then go to public I unit of work. Then we have to implement the method that defined in the interface. So we already here, so we can implement it. Now we have to create the inject the db context file here, private read only shopping cart context, then public unit of work shopping cart. Now in the shopping cart we can set it get or set. Now I'm going to use product is equals to product repository dot context. So if you go to here and navigate, go to implementation, so it will navigate to here. So that means you have successfully added the products. So now we also implement the save changes method. So you can use the context file, then save changes. So whatever the operation we are doing, like insert, update, or delete, we use the unit of work in our classes, or you can say our entity. So this will class is responsible for performing any database operations. So in this way, we have created the unit of a class. So thank you for watching this video.